I think we got it. Shit, spicy. Nah, man. Why isn't this live popping up? What the helly? Is we live, cuz? Hey, we are. Hey, that's me. Hey, that's me, man. Fuck. All right, can someone try to type in the chat and let me know if y'all can hear me, please? Let me know if y'all can hear me. I'm gonna keep rolling. But I'm trying to figure out if I can post to live. What's up, Matt? How you doing, bro? All right. I'm waiting for this to come up, so hopefully we can. Rolling. There we go. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Going somewhere. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Because I want to be able to stream on. I want to be able to do market analysis for you guys in front of you, so you guys can start to learn shit. On top of that, I don't know why I said that aggressively. I didn't mean that, but on top of that, send it to TikTok so we can get the questions as well from over there. Word, word, word. All right, I'm trying to see if I can. Bear with me for 2 seconds, and then we'll do some cool shit. But okay. Because I want to be able to actually take requests from people. Because I get a lot of questions on, certain stocks and whatnot. And I want to be able to show people why I either agree or don't agree. You feel me? Do you do this full time? I do this. I do this full time. Sorry. Okay, I believe we're all set up. I have one more thing to check, and then we can get moving here. I just want to make sure that all of these chats are able to, go kind of simultaneously. And I think it does. Hello? Hell yeah. All right, boys. I think we got it. But yes, CBMCF. I do this full time. And I absolutely love it, bro. It's been so great. It has been so great. True blessing. All right, all right. All right, we got everybody loaded in here. Hell yeah. Alex Vasquez, the kid. Alex, when you gonna come trade with me, brother? I know you're in college, bro. Man, it's making me log into everything now. Alright. Man, these damn bots, bro. Everybody be getting in my fucking way. Alright, boys. Alright, boys. Alright, boys. Let's see. Do we got anything? Alright. Who wants to see any stocks, recommendations, shit like that? I'm down to take a look at some of the favorite stocks that you guys have, and other stuff like that. So I'm gonna take a look at let's see. Let's look at Melly. I haven't looked at Melly in a second. Melly's still kind of just chopping down here. As long as we follow the trend line on Melly, we're still chilling. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Dude, I hate this thing. Alright. Should be chilling now. Alright. Damn dogs are barking upstairs, man. Boys, I'm going to buy some physical silver tomorrow, so I was thinking we could chart out some silver here. I'm so excited, bro. I'm trying to buy a good bit. Because look at this shit. I mean, Jonathan Garcia wants open. I got you, brother. Let me chart out silver real quick. Cause man, they look pretty explosive. They look pretty damn explosive. Bro, there's a crazy buffer on my shift right now. Yo, Andrew, I was just talking about how I'm going to get silver. I'm charting silver right now. What best time for you to show up, bro? I'm excited to go get some silver tomorrow. But yeah, I mean, because you have gold coming out of this move, and it's just absolutely insane. Yeah, they chop around for like a year. Oh shit, like low key like 3 years, but there's a different kind of demand this time around. Very similar look. What's this gain off the top? 126? 126% gain? That would put oh my. That would put silver over 110. Jeez. That would be something. Hell yeah. I'm down for that. I actually need to add silver to the list. Gonna get me some tomorrow. Then we'll have our silver there. Andrew, if you're in here, is there a limit? Is there a limit on like how much or like what I don't know, kind of what they got? God damn it. This is like kind of working, kind of not. Just docked myself, I think. That's chill. Doing a margarita at the bar, watching silver being charted. Who would have thought? There you go. Get your margarita on, you little sassy fella. Hell yeah. I think, dude, I'm so bullish on silver. I wish I would have bought back at 30 when I was first looking at it, or when you first mentioned it too, honestly. But yeah, here's Open Door. Open Door looks great. They're continuing to hold these levels, and they moved right off of our buy zone. Wick down off of earnings, but look at this. Like, look at that retest. Looks great. CEO just bought another $1 million worth, so it's gonna be pretty sweet. Gonna be pretty sweet. Cause gold looking good as well. Gold even looks like it has a little cup and handle on the 4 hour here. I was charting this out earlier because I was looking for a trade. They just look great. need to bring silver up and toss her under gold there. But silver being up 4%, man. I mean, they're ripping. All-time high is coming tomorrow. Rivian. Ibrahim, I'll get to that. I'll get to that next real quick. But Rivian, I don't like. I don't like really any automakers. Besides Tesla, just because they have another business and obviously they're robotics. Sorry, but Rivian is definitely coiling. I mean, like this setup is pretty good. What actually comes of it is we'll see. But this does look really good. Now, are they gonna return to 179 or whatever? Did they have a split or did they actually IPO at 179 bucks? Wow. Well, I do believe that they will work their way back up to at least 27, but after that, don't have much hope. I'm not a huge fan of Rivian here. So Nebius, really interesting on Nebius here. We have two stories here. So either we're gonna have this kind of formation where we have a wedging flagging thing, or this is a double top. Simply one of the two. Obviously a pretty strong rejection here, but earnings were good. So that's my issue when evaluating this. It's like they just had a really good earnings. Yes, they sold off, and yes, they're down a little bit after that, but the earnings were good. Both going higher. Silver on critical mineral list. Yep. Central Banks buy gold. Yep. I'm dude. I'm so excited to go tomorrow, Andrew. So excited. So excited. I'm like trying not to like just pull everything I have in the bank out and just go crazy, but I kind of want to. No split. Hell yeah. All right, and then we got CRWV. Wow. Gold to silver ratio out of whack. Stack the physical for generation. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, I mean, I want to I want to make it worth it. I'm thinking about kind of just throwing a damn chunk at it. Kiwi cat, what'd you do? Bro, I just got booted off of fucking TikTok. Wait, what just happened? What just happened? Omar wants Oscar. All right, buddy. Where is Oscar? We'll see. I haven't lost hope. Cause nothing's changed. I mean, I don't understand. This most recent news literally doesn't impact them at all. That's why it's so stupid. So, where do you trade silver, bro? I'm going to get some physical, so I'm gonna go buy it like physically, like this, where I physically own it. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm trying to get a pretty nice fat stack of some good silver. Some hopefully some junk silver, which would be nice. But we'll see. We'll see. Because if you can get some good of that, then you're pretty chilling. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And that's some good junk silver, bro. That'd be nice. Lost connection there. Yeah, I got kicked for doing the old YouTube to TikTok deal. It's so dumb though. Ugh. Since I have a Mac computer, um I can't stream to TikTok, which is just completely stupid, but whatever. So I'm still streaming on YouTube if you want to see the chart. But anybody see the video I posted today, bro? First of all, that was a great trade. Killer trade. I'm gonna definitely get better at. I got the little dash cam deal now, so I don't have to be scrambling with like actually recording and whatnot. I can just leave it to record. But yeah. The video I posted over on my YouTube, Kiwi Cat. Posted a video over there about our BuzzBot, how to use it, and I took an option trade with it, and we made like $500. So it was a pretty good trade. Pretty good trade there. Ooh, I'll see it. Yes, I am. About the bot. What's up? What's up? What's up? What stop loss do you use? If you go to the free plays tab in the pinned section, one of those pinned messages has all the information about that. But I normally use about a 15 to 20%, never more than 20%. But you know, it does. I will extend it just a little bit towards 20% if I think it has a little bit of life. But normally you'll know if within the first 10 to 15% if it's gonna work or not. You'll know. If it closes back in, close the trade. It's a no. But yeah, Kiwi Cat is not bad. It and you can use a 30%, but if you're gonna use 30%, then your take profit needs to be at like 60% at least. I mean, since it is so profitable, you could honestly probably do it at like. Can you show the silver chart again? Yeah, you go. You could probably do it at take profit at 50%. Stop loss at 30 would still work, but I wouldn't really go much lower than that. Here is that silver chart. Thoughts on Serve's earnings? I saw they beat. I didn't really see much other than that. I only have like 200 shares, so I'm not like watching it crazy. I've just been making covered calls on it. But I took one trade 2 days ago. It was good. Nice. I still haven't lost on it. Actually, that's true. Not true. I lost on that Nvidia play today, but we made it all back with the QQQ put following that. Open door. Thoughts on BYND? I think it is one of the worst. I think it's insanely funny that people are still talking about that. Thoughts on Buru? Same thing. I mean, those are like two of the worst companies I've ever heard of personally, but oh my god. Just running down the list, running down your watch list, huh? Oh, guys, I don't want to talk about these like little itty bitty penny stocks, man. Buru, BYND, AIRE are all ass. They have no financials, and the setups will come and go. So, Jonathan Garcia, thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Means a lot. That I had to edit that video 3 different times. So, yeah, it was a kind of a shit show to make. Oscar, there you go. There's a company with financials. Funny enough, like one of the only ones that's down right now, but at least we were getting financials in here. Archer, alrighty. I'll show some of the kids over here on YouTube Archer as well. Hims. Can you start doing more swing plays in the Discord? When I see the setups, yeah. 3-shot margarita, it's all for me on my way home. Excited for the silver run tomorrow. Hell yeah. Drive safe. Drive safe. Archer still has. It's really just been chopping more than I like. That's why I'm not in it. But I mean, you're still following along this idea. Obviously, holding the 200 EMA. Rich Tech, any life left? I posted a video about it. As long as we can get back over 392, yes. But I'm not in it right now, so I really don't give a shit about it. It's all the way down at 355. Wow. I want to see it bounce off 314, 311 is my big level. Thoughts on 2.6 Hog Rider? That's low-key spammy, bro. You're tryhard. 2.6 Hog Rider's lame, bro. Go 3.1, put the Mega Knight in there. At least if you're gonna be like that, at least you'll win, you know. Gold calls, let me take a look at gold here. Yeah, I have on the 4 hour time frame gold in the nice little cup and handle formation right here. Looking really, really good. Looking real good. Shit, I've been holding on to Chatter Communications. Jonathan, drop the ticker, brother. Charter. What's the ticker, brother? Charter. Charter. CHTR? Yeah. Oh shit, you're bag holding. Fuck. I thought this was gonna be like a cool, like, oh my god, you're up so much. What? What has happened to this business? Holy blow off top at 8:30, bro. Oh my god, this thing looks like a mountain. What happened here? Dude, what happened? Their growth is still fine. EPS is growing. Analysts are targeting back to the upside. I mean, some analysts have 228% back up to 700. Hell no. I mean, maybe, but what do they do? Consumer services. We're down 50% the past 6 months alone. They're doing 55 billion in revenue full year and they're only worth 55 billion. Dude, this is kind of a sleeper, bro. Once this puppy turns around, but like Jesus Christ, this is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. How? There has to be something that led to this. Nah, dude, there has to be something that led to this. Oh shit. Omar, why is Oscar down? And what are things that should happen to make you go back up? Basically, what happened is they pushed back ACA, which this is my issue with it. It's so stupid because ACA doesn't really matter to Oscar. Their last 3 quarters, they have been pulling their revenue and their EPS numbers without ACA, proving and they beat the last 2 quarters. Now they missed revenue by like $5 million, which means nothing when you're talking billions. But you know that's why it's so stupid. It's like it they've proven that ACA is only a benefit, meaning it doesn't hurt them. Yet whenever there's ACA news, it hurts them. So it's just stupid. I made a profit blind by following your bot on paper trading, but after watching the video, I understand how to take the trade. Good, bro. That's perfect. That's exactly what the video's for. I'm glad. I'm glad. That makes me feel good. I'm glad. You'll have to let me know how that next play goes. Why is Shop down? Did they have earnings? No, I'm assuming that they had earnings or something. Video conferencia to be seen 5 times today. Vid conferencia to be seen 5 times today. NUAI. NUAI. Not a fan. Not a fan. Ondas. Let's check in on the old Ondas. I would like Ondas again if it bounces off of 406. Open door, yeah, open door looks good. Kells, then that's the perfect time to buy. If a stock you like has good earnings and then they're down afterwards, no better time to buy in. To be honest, I feel like a bear market might be around the corner, but I'm not sure. That's fair. What's a good price to sell open door? I don't know your average price, and I don't know, what your portfolio is structured like. So I'm not going to give you advice on that, but I am going to tell you that my next target is $13. Bruh. AMD fucking killed today. Holding a bag on SNGX. How much you down? How much you down? That's rough, bro. What the hell? What? Where do y'all get these, bro? Where do y'all get these? That's what I want to know. Oh my god, it's Wednesday. Boys, I gotta go. I gotta go get me some sushi, bro. I forgot it's Wednesday. I love y'all. Thank you so much. But I gotta go get me some sushi, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Thank you, boys. But, dude.